In seconds, say what matters. A Reuters poll of 41 leading foreign exchange strategists suggests that the Indian rupee will remain largely range-bound at approximately 85 rupees and 75 paise per US dollar over the next 6 months, despite the US dollar index posting an 11% decline since January 2025. Analysts credit this relative stability of the rupee to the Reserve Bank of India's proactive management of foreign exchange markets. The RBI has continued to accumulate foreign currency reserves aggressively and has engaged in targeted interventions in the spot and forward markets to minimize volatility. This has helped prevent the rupee from appreciating too sharply against the dollar, thereby supporting export competitiveness even as global dollar flows weaken. However, the outlook is not without challenges. Capital inflows into India have slowed in recent months, with foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, turning net sellers amid concerns over US interest rate cuts, China's economic slowdown, and geopolitical tensions. These factors could create sporadic pressure on the currency. Looking further ahead, strategists expect the rupee to strengthen slightly to around 85 rupees and 50 paise per dollar by mid-2026, reflecting a temporary rebound in inflows and improving macroeconomic fundamentals. But this strength is likely to be short-lived, with the currency projected to weaken again to 86 rupees and 13 paise by year-end 2026, as India's current account deficit and global oil price volatility continue to weigh on the external balance. The RBI's focus on maintaining a stable exchange rate rather than targeting a specific level is viewed as a positive for financial markets, helping anchor investor confidence and minimize imported inflation risks. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such update.